I drifted into a cancer research career. I went to Harvard College, majoring in physics and chemistry with a lot of math. And I found that I liked people as much as math, maybe more. And a new professor came, James Watson, and I decided to switch into pre-med and was lucky enough to knock on his door and be his first undergraduate student. Life's been very generous to me, and I've had a number of career opportunities to do things. So one aspect of my career is having had strong impact on 3 different cancer centers. I was a beginning faculty member at University of California, San Diego in 1970, and in 1977 they invited me to start their new cancer center as the founding director. And that was a wonderful experience, both from the science point of view and from gaining skills in management and what a cancer center is all about. And then I moved to Sloan Kettering and developed their Department of Medicine into a much stronger research-oriented program and had a thrilling time there. Each time I've moved, I've not planned to move, just opportunities came. And then along came the opportunity to be the president of MD Anderson Cancer Center. And I went down and visited, and I thought, this is where translational research is really happening. And so I was lucky enough to get that job and did that for 15 years. And each time I feel working with the team, we move those institutions forward. So that's something I'm very proud of. I'm proud of all the people I've mentored. I've run a couple of training programs along the way, worked with students in the laboratory. I ran a lab for about 20 years. And then I'm very proud, obviously, of the work I did with Gordon Sato at UCSD in 1980. At that time, there were only 3 tyrosine kinases known, and one was Sarc, which in mouse models caused cancer. So we said, well, EGF receptors are tyrosine kinase. Maybe that's important for cancer too. We were successful, the team, working together, and developed the antibody C225, which is called cetuximab or Erbitux. I've been part of the AACR for probably 40 years. And first of all, it just is a great educational institution. Every year, the scientists and more of the clinical investigators now in cancer research come together and trade ideas. The goal is bringing people together, clinical and basic, translational, from different countries, from different disciplines, bioengineering, as well as molecular biology and biochemistry and clinical investigation. And that's how science progresses. So I think AACR has had a tremendous role in what's happening. I have to give credit to Marge Foti. She's a wonderful dreamer. And a lot of what's happened in AACR is because she dreams well. The amazing thing about nature is the more you learn, the more you realize how complicated and carefully balanced with accelerators and brakes this process that drives cell division works. And of course, the key goal is to find out how to kill those cancer cells. And we're getting better at it. When I was born, I think about 1/3 of cancer patients live 5 years. Today, 2/3 live 5 years or longer, and most of those are cured. Some are still living with a chronic stable disease. So we're not changing things overnight, but we're making very good progress in either eliminating the cancer or attenuating it so that a patient can live a high quality life for a longer period of time. And how to do that better and better is what we're all about.